Welcome back to our channel, family and frenzies. Today we are making stuffed shells, and these are all the ingredients we are going to use. You can choose to use your own ingredients. I prepped my green peppers, my onions, and I also have some sweet Italian sausage. We're also going to use some spinach, and we have our ground beef. First, you're going to boil your water, add salt to your water. This is the only way you can season your pasta, and you're going to cook this pasta until it's al dente. Do not overcook. Now it's time to brown your ground beef. Make sure while your meat is browning, make sure you add all of your seasonings to the meat. Make sure you season it very well, and then you're going to drain all the grease off of the ground beef. Now that you drain all the oils and grease off of the ground beef, just add your onions, peppers, and sausage to the pot, and you're going to add that tomato sauce on top. Now make sure you season these tomatoes. I know you seasoned the meat, however, the tomato sauce don't really have much seasoning straight out of the bottle, so I'm just going in with all of the seasonings that I use, plus a little bit of sugar to bring out those flavors, and this sauce should be good to go right now. Make sure you don't forget to take a little bit of that meat and you're going to taste it. Make sure it's to your liking. So now it's time to prep your spinach. I just pretty much melted down some butter, and we're going to sweat these down for just a minute or so. And then we're going to just go in with your garlic powder, and then you're going to just take a little bit of salt and pepper and sprinkle it on your spinach to give it some flavor. Once that's done, you're going to put that to the side and prep for the next step, which is the Alfredo. Now we're adding Alfredo to the pot. We're going to go in with some onion powder, garlic powder, and then some celery salt. Not a lot, just a little pinch. And then you're going to add some Parmesan cheese to this. I never use the Alfredo sauce straight out of the pot. I like to add my own ingredients to give it some added flavors. Once your Alfredo sauce is done and it tastes good to your liking, add that spinach. You're going to mix that up, and you're going to put this to the side. And this is going to actually be the first step in prepping for your stuffed shells. Don't forget to taste. It is absolutely delicious. Time to prep your filling. So you're going to take that ricotta cheese and add it to a bowl. You're going to season up this ricotta cheese with some Italian seasonings. And then you're going to go ahead and with some garlic powder and some onion powder. You're going to go in with a pinch of salt and pepper. Add some shredded cheese. This is pretty much just some shredded cheddar and some shredded mozzarella that I had left over here in the house. And you're going to mix that up very well. Once it's mixed, add your grated Parmesan cheese. And then you're going to add half of your meat mixture. This is pretty much your filling for your stuffed shells. Everyone prepare their stuffed shells differently. This is how I do mine. Now, I'm going to take that Alfredo sauce with the spinach and coat the bottom of your pan. Once all of your shells have been filled, this is exactly how it should look. And you're just going to line all of your shells up in the bottom of the pan on top of the spinach and Alfredo. And then you're going to just take a little bit of that Alfredo sauce and drizzle it on top of your shells. I had some leftover tomato sauce, so I just added that to the top as well, along with some shredded mozzarella. And this looks absolutely delicious, guys, and it smells amazing. This tomato sauce, of course, is seasoned, not straight out of the jar. I added the leftover meat to the top of the pasta along with some grated Parmesan cheese. And now it's time to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. And there you have it, guys. After about an hour, you will have your delicious stuffed shells. This is absolutely delicious, guys. I hope you try my recipe and definitely let me know how you guys like it. Bye.